These crispy, sizzling, hot, tangy potatoes are full of flavor and will become your personal favorite once you add it in your menu as a starter or the side dish for lunch or dinner. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today's recipe is Tawa Aloo or masala potatoes. Potato is the most versatile and adjusting vegetable ever known. So let's start making it. Here are the ingredients for making this finger-licking tasty recipe. First important tip is do not overboil potatoes. It should around 90 to 95% cooked and not more than that, so that it can retain its shape and moreover does not dries out in the outcome. Peel boiled potatoes and cut them in half vertically. Now heat up a pan or a tawa, add any neutral tasting vegetable oil. Once it is hot, add potatoes and roast them on medium to low flame until turns light golden to golden brown. Another tip is do not cook it on a very low temperature as your potatoes dried out due to the longer cooking time. This recipe calls for twice frying of potato. First on a lower to medium to lower temperature for a longer time, then second on high temperature for a very shorter time, which is also known as flash fry. It resolves three purposes. First, it will make potatoes extra crispy. Second, you can prepare it in advance for later use. And thirdly, last minute cooking allows masala to coat and sticks well on hot potatoes, providing it a juicy and fresh look. You can add masala directly to the pan and toss potatoes, but you need to be incredibly careful about the temperature. If it is too hot, masala will burn and will not provide the desired result. Or if your pan is too cold, masala will not roast, hence it imparts raw flavor and not fragrant aroma which stimulates your hunger and tickle your taste buds. Let us prepare masala before frying potatoes for the second time. In a bowl, add red chili powder, black salt, coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, and dry mango powder. Mix it well and keep it aside for later use. For second time, turn the heat high and drizzle some oil. Now roast potatoes until deep golden brown color. Once done, take it out and immediately coat it with masala by sprinkling it or tossing it in a bowl or directly adding it in a pan. Be very gentle while tossing or mixing it so that it won't break. Garnish it with chopped cilantro and serve hot. So now what you are looking for is tangy, crispy outside and creamy, moist and intact inside, and not dried or scattered from inside once you bite in. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.